noise, niggas. Yo, do y'all mind if I live here? Can I get a house here? If I was to get a house in your city, would you get me high every day? Would you bring strippers to my house every day? Would you feed me McDonald's every day? How many people love McDonald's? You know when you smoking weed, you high as a motherfucker, the first place you think about, you say, I gotta get some chicken nuggets, nigga. Some motherfucking chicken nuggets.
From Wendy's.
Try that shit, Mike. Oh yeah. We tripping, man. Oh. Let's get it.
My man just sitting on 4